Welcome friends in total red blood cell count part 2. Why should we avoid under and overcharging? Overcharging, there will be a low blood cell count as the cell being heavier than the fluid, so cell will go into the gutter, H-shape gutter. When you do undercharging, obviously there are low blood cells, so in both the condition there will be a false low cell count. So we should avoid under and overcharging in pipetting practical, like total red blood cell and total white blood cell count. How will you identify red blood cells? So red blood cells are regular in size, shape, bright round bodies. When you change the illumination, they are refractile bodies. But dust particles are irregular in size and shape, and they disappear when you change the focus. So you need to differentiate between the blood cells and the dust particles. But the main problem will be there in case of the total WBC count practical. In RBC, it is easily differentiated. But in WBC practical, total WBC count practical, you should be more conscious or cautious to differentiate the dust particle and the cells. What is rule of counting? Say for example, some cells are stick to the upper border of the small square. Some are stick to the left side of the border of the square. So all the cells that are present on the upper side or on the left side of the smallest square will be counted in the same square to avoid doubling counting of the cells. What is function of cover slip? Cover slip, in brief, it controls the volume of the fluid to be entered in the improved Newbar chamber and causes equal distribution of the cells. What is latest method of counting the cells? That is electric cell counter method for both total red blood cell count and total white blood cell count. Sources of error in the practical, in pipetting practical. So pipetting error, if you have taken more blood or less blood, then it interfere with the result. Person to person error will be there. Some instrumental error, like you are doing overcharging, undercharging, right? And to minimize the bias or the result, you should actually count the on the both side of the improved Newbar chamber, and then you should do average. So the whatever error 10 or 50% that is normal, that can be reduced. Yes, but with electric cell counter, this error will be 2 or 3%. Anemia. So anemia is, you can say, decreased oxygen carrying capacity of the blood due to decrease in hemoglobin, that is below 12 gram% in adult, irrespective of age and sex. You can also say that when total red blood cell count is less than 4.5 million cells per cubic millimeter, that can be also called as anemia. But to define anemia, more reliable index is the hemoglobin, not the RBC. Average lifespan of the red blood cell is 120 days. Thank you. Jai Swaminarayan. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel, like it, comment it and share it. Thank you again.